So yeah, like I said, if the last video is going to be too long, I am going to start a second video just right this day. So this is this, and we're going to now probably be playing something else or this same game. And yes, I am going to still leave my music here because I like it and you can't stop me. So yeah, uh, let's do the parachute again. Because I wanted to do the parachute, I will do the parachute. And looks like pink is taken, so I'm gonna be red. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to hope that Mafrai, this guy, is going to change and not him. But whatever. I am going to start playing now. Woohoo! So, yeah. I just got kicked out. Why? 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 Okay, I don't understand, but let's just hope that next game won't be so that I won't get just kicked out. So, uh, let's see how many people we get. And we got back to 10. Okay, I just thought about it, and if I stop it, then you won't be able to hear the music, and it will be cut really weirdly. So that's why we're doing this together. And if it takes too long, I am going to pause both, so you don't miss out on the music. Yay! Okay, yay! Finally, we got another person. So that's fun. Yes. Now we're just going to start playing. No, well, not yet, but we're going to wait for another player. Okay, I don't understand why, but my music is lagging. So maybe we just play something else that isn't laggy. Yep, alright, let's go do that. So, yep, I'm going to cut back to when I am in a second game. So, this is the second game we're playing. It's called Dungeon Crawler, and it's pretty fun. Dungeon Crawler on Steam is pretty fun, so yeah, we're going to play this. So we're going to start a new run. Oh, I have already played this, but that's why it doesn't really matter if I have done something already. I'm just going to be a bit more advanced and knowing what to pick and stuff I like to pick. So yeah. Okay. Let's see what's in the daily challenge. Daily challenges are fun. I haven't done them a lot, but okay. Start with 15 additional fluff in the machine. Yep. Tantrum is yeah. You just get 50% attack. Yeah, you get damage. You get damage. With the random buff. Okay, I got a lot of strength, so I will probably do something strength and damage based, and probably crit because crit 50% more damage. So and it's 3, so 150% more damage. So yeah, it's hopefully going to be fun. So yeah, this is the machine where we are. These are the buffs that this thing gave. Like if I pick any item, I get 1 block. I deal 1 more damage this turn. This guy too also gets blocked, but I don't think he can get blocked. He will heal 1 health when they will damage me. They all get 1 block and they get just more damage. So yeah, that's pretty fun. This game is not a lot, but it is still fun, pretty fun. So yeah. Or okay, this game seems to be lagging like a lot right now. So let's maybe do other game because yeah, now we're going to be playing Bubble Battle and hope it's not going to be laggy. And yeah, let's just play a bit of Bubble Battle. So yeah, I'm going to use my parachute because I just like it. Okay, where are the people? Okay, where are they? I don't see them. Anyways, we're gonna do find new person because it looks like there we would have been stuck just waiting. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to cut back to when we find more person. Okay, it looks like there are no more people coming, so I don't know. What do we want to play? And also, I think the music is lagging me, so I don't know. Well, maybe put it down. So yeah, let's play some else game. like maybe Peglin. Peglin is a pretty fun game. It is a game where you gotta yeah, you collect orbs like spears and stuff. So to throw them at a peg machine where there are many like point systems, and then you do damage to enemies, and you try to defeat all enemies to move next to the next wave, and you get also relics that give like buffs, like I don't know, every time you hit one of these things you get 3 health or something like that. It's a pretty fun game. uh, so yeah, I just because I want to, let's start with this guy, because I have a plan to get a orb that, huh, what's this? I don't know. Ooh, that's fun. Oh, that's fun. Oh, oh my god, that's so fun. Okay, yeah, I'm going to start with this orb, because this orb is like really good. Uh, uh, it gets just damage. It gets so much damage. Damage. So yeah. We also want money. Money is good. So yeah, we want money to upgrade this, and yeah, we want money, money, and yeah, that's I think it. How much money do we want, guys? Yeah, that's maybe too much. Actually, yeah, let's do with only highway robbery, just because. Uh, and what is this? Oh yeah, we want money, so money. Hmm. Oh, and attacks. Maybe. Let's take it. Boom. All attacks gain. Boom. Uh, whenever you reload. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that. Uh, hmm. But yeah, this is going to be pretty goddamn good. So let's hope this is going to be fun. Yeah. Well. Okay. Oh, this is good. Yes. If you have bulwark, coming back, okay. The attacker is damage equal. Oh wow. Okay. I don't know. If you find that, it's going to be fun. Yeah. That we don't need, but money. So yes, money. Money. Okay, I'm going to cut back to when I have got all I need. Okay, so I have got everything that I was okay to get, and yeah, I'll show you them. This is I get money. This is so in this game upgrading scales, so you upgrade once and the next upgrade is more expensive. This does that, so it doesn't do that. This is yeah, money. Uh, this is just because we have one orb. We could use that orb more times than just a single time. So yeah, we're going to start now. Yippee! Apply. So yeah, we're going to start playing now. So let's hope this is fun, because I really hope it will be. Whenever you reload. Okay, this is pretty good because we got one orb, so we're going to reload a lot. So yeah, we're going to play that. So yeah, this is fun. We don't just win because we have this, but it will be pretty cool to win. Oh no, we got 2 balls. Anyways, you can discard this, so yeah. But we're going to do that, so we get this one, and we get more damage. Okay, we got already 15 coins. It's so good. Like, we're going to get upgrading this so fast, so it's going to be so fun. And yeah, like you saw how fast this thing levels up, so it's a lot of fun. So yeah. Oh no. Okay, I want to get that because it gives us money. So if it gives us some money, it's pretty good. But now I don't know because there's this slime. This slime is in the way. So yeah. Oh my god, I am so noob at this. So yeah. Like, for real, this game is so much fun. So yeah. The first few levels are slow because we do less damage, but yeah. So I'm going to be fast forwarding this, so we will have faster play, like this. Look how much faster it is. So yeah, now it's going to hopefully be fun. Oh my god. Yeah, in this game there are also bombs. They do damage to all the things, but yeah, it doesn't always go like you want it to. Because okay, it's a bit annoying, but we're hopefully going to be better off now and win more. So yeah. Okay, well, we're hopefully going to win this. So, yep, okay, let's go. But look how fast we're leveling up now. Boom! 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 Like, we got so much upgrades right now. Yep. So this is the map of the floor 1. So, yep. We just want the money, so we're going to do this. So yeah. So yeah, we just got 36 money from a single like time. So that's a lot of fun. Oh no, it was an accident. Yeah, I didn't mean to shoot it, but it sometimes happens. So yeah, now look how much damage this does. 11. If I crit again, wait. So yeah. Oh. I'm still not going to get them. Just because like the pegs here, these things, they're so like spread out there. So yeah. But what I am mad about is actually nothing. This is pretty fun right now. Oh, I don't know why I did that. I just accidentally right-clicked and right-clicking in this game discarded the orb, so no. Why I did that? I don't know. So yeah, this is right now pretty fun, like you're saying. So yeah, we're going to win this, but the damage is going to scale so fast, like so fast. Huh. So yeah, we're already 8 and 15, so it's pretty good. So yeah, we got a lot of money right now. Money! So yeah, do you like this more, or be more like this where I play mini games, or more that I play one single game? Because I can do that, I can play Popple Battle just, or just Peglin or Dungeon Crawler. So yeah, now we're going to try to get the bombs, so we could just defeat everything like that. There are 2 bombs, so everything has just 10 HP now, so that's real fun. But yeah, oh damn. So we're going to try to get a relic that makes that our orb can pierce, so we don't just waste 150 damage on a single guy with 1 HP. So yeah, we're gonna try to do that. So yeah. Okay, we're going to get money. Like, look at that money right now. We got so much money. So much. So much money. It's, yeah. No. Okay, we're going to run and lose 9 HP, because if they remove my highway robbery, it would be really bad. So yeah. Anyways, the first Popple Battle video will be posted in some time. So yeah, it's going to be fun. But look how much damage I do. And thanks to this, I get bulwark, so shield, so nothing can hit me. And if this goes any higher, the block will also go so high, so it's going to be so fun now. Like, I can practically just one-shot anything that I want to. So yeah, look at this. Like, nothing can hit me because I got so much shield. And I'm going to just discard the stones, because I don't know, I just want more highway robbery. Oh my god, no, I'm already this deep with this, so yeah, look at that, we're upgrading it so much. 19 and 37 does it. It does 19 damage without any single crits or something. We didn't get much money, only 16, but it's still pretty good. But yeah, like just already doing this single thing, I one shot an enemy, and already like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like you saw that. But I still don't like that there are so few pigs. Like if the pigs would be more like a clump, I would do so much damage. But yeah, you can already see that I am beginning to do too much damage to a single guy. So I fast need something that gives me pierce, like an orb or relic that gives like 2 pierce for everything. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Woohoo! Nope, okay, it was an accident. But yeah, whatever, we're going one shot. Nothing. Yeah, this time we can't upgrade that much, but it's still a lot of damage. So yeah. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. There's a lot now. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going to do so much damage. Look at this damage. Look at that damage. 1000 damage. 1000 damage, bro. Again, I'm just one-shotting everything. Ooh. Yeah, the bombs don't do anything any now. Like, I just one-shot everything. Oh, let's go, let's go. This lets me hit the 2 enemies now, so it's so good now. So yeah, now it doesn't really matter which way I go because I will get the chest anyway. But yeah, money. When part of the service, okay, this is okay for me, but not the best like thing. It's just this a little bit like it doesn't do anything to my combo, but it is just fun to have something around. Look at that, we're going to do so much damage. So yeah, look at that, just without the crit it does 700 damage. Like, holy. But yeah, be sure to give me to know if I should keep making Peglin videos or do Popple Battle videos, because Popple Battle is more fast-paced, I think. Yeah. So yeah, be sure to give me know in the comments. So yeah, look at that. Money, 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 money. It does already 26 damage. Like, that's pretty crazy. So yeah. Damage. Okay, I'm still going to take this, but it does absolutely nothing to our build because yeah, we don't need max health because we one-shot everything. Oh, this is good. This is good for us because we do so much damage with it then. But yeah. So let's see what we get there. Ooh, that would be okay, but not really anything that we need. So we're gonna do this and this. So yeah. Okay, this boss is going to get one shot, like literally one shot. Or maybe not, but I so doubt it. Okay, two shot. It takes two shots. Two shot. Like, we already have so much block, so like... Okay, this boss is one shot. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, this is an orb that I haven't seen. So yeah, that's pretty fun. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so, oh, everything is so good. Everything is so good, like, bruh. Okay. So, we got the plus multiple one. Uh, hmm. Do we want this or this? This or this? Like, which one is better? I will think this one, because, just, this one, like, loses damage, but this one... Okay, you know what? I'm going to just flip a coin now. Just flip a coin that so yeah, if this I don't know why it's in this language, so I don't know. I'm gonna... Okay, I can't find where the thing is, so let's just... I don't know why this Google is like that. This is not my account. This is not my account, but anyways, if this is this thing, then we'll do the multi-ball. Okay, it's not, so we're doing the this thing. So yeah, okay, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So yeah, now because of the pegs or those, they won't disappear when my highway robbery touches them. So it's going to be great. Highway robbery. Whee! Like, yeah, they don't disappear. They just keep on existing there. Look at that. Look at that. 1000 damage. 2000 damage. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. And like you saw, this thing just duplicated my ball, and it was 2 balls. So it's real OP, the strat I'm doing right now. Oh no, I did the wrong thing. Oh, I should have done this one. Oh no. Look at that. Oh no. Okay, let's hope we get there. Like just I see here. Okay, okay. No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's go. W, W. I know I don't need really relics, but I really hope that I get like something that lets my orb pass through, so I get more stuff, or yeah, more hit. I hit more enemies. So yeah, because of this thing, I can now hit the 2 enemies, so that's a lot of fun. And if I get a thing that pierces, then I will like +1 pierce, you know. Then this orb pierces 1 and 1, so 2, and the other orb coming from the back will pierce 1, 2, like that, so it's going to be fun. So yeah, it's really good that we took this, because if we didn't take this, we would only have like 15 upgrades or something like that, even less maybe. So yeah, it's pretty fun right now. It's really chill. Okay, yeah, this is good, but like okay. So yeah. Yeah, yep. Oh no, enemies. No, no. Okay, yeah. One shot maybe. We one shot this enemy. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, 2 enemies. Okay, let's go. We're gonna one shot again. But yeah, just look at this, dude. Like, it's so good that we take the turbo, this thing. Like, it's so good. Oh, I didn't know it stayed alive. Okay then. Yeah, I really thought we had to defeat that. Oh, this is going to be good. It will bounce so much around that it will just do so much more damage. So yeah. Look at how much enemies there are. Like, these are 2 enemies. Oh my, okay, this is a lot of enemies. It's like an elite battle, but it's not. It's just one battle. Just a normal battle. And we're still going to overkill. Like, we're doing 5,000 damage to this enemy who has 100 health. 12 health. He got 12 health. 12. 12. Like, whoa. So yeah, oh no. Okay, no. We've never gotten the rainbow slime. Like, yeah, the rainbow slime is still like undefeatable. So yeah, we are so OP right now because nothing, absolutely nothing can defeat us. So yeah. Hmm. I think we're going back to Popple Battle in sometime near like the near future, like today or maybe tomorrow. But after this game, I'm going to stop this recording because it's going on too long now. Okay. So yeah, we just got here. So look at it, rainbow slime. Well, well, well. Ignore, because we could have removed one and it's normally good, but right now we got only one orb, so we wouldn't have anything to help us or something like that. Like, look at that, dude. Woo. So yeah, this is a pretty fun game right now. Yeah, okay, no prob, no prob. Okay, in this game, when you explode all of the bombs, you get more relic, but we had 2 bombs, but sadly we didn't get another one, so it happens. Okay, guys, we're going to one-shot this guy. Like, this guy is dead, like so dead. Look at that, dude, already. Yep, already dead. Wow. Like, any orb that we would take isn't even going to help us anymore. We are just so OP. Yeah. Oh look, 0 money. Exactly 0 money. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, this one. Like, we get money, we get so much money, so and the other one, bombs. We don't need bombs. We already have our own 1 billion damage. But yeah, look, 68 money. One number away from the good one. Oh no. Oh. I lost my highway robbery. Well, can we do this? Because, like, we can't get our highway robbery back anymore. Okay. Oh, I don't think it worked. Oh no. Oh my god, it worked! It worked! It worked! We are the best! Like, let's go. We're so back. We got 2 of our highway robberies. Look at that. Both 48 damage. Holy, we do a lot of damage. So yeah, this is a pretty fun, but I totally think I'm going back to Popple Battle. Oh, and if you will want to, this playlist that I am right now listening to is HEA D&D in YouTube Music. It's a HEA D&D. So yeah. So yeah, Okay, this is taking so long. I'm going 30,000 damage. We did 30,000 damage right now. It's like the most damage I have ever seen. But like this is good, yeah. But it's a bit like boring to know that like you one shot everything, nothing can kill you. So it's pretty boring, you know. But still, the game takes so long to finish. So yeah, when this is over, uh, we're going to yeah be be finishing this and playing Popple Battle in another episode. Like yeah, that's because of it bounces. It bounces so much. So yeah, look how much block we got. Like what? Okay, we're going to basically one shot this. So yeah, this is going to be pretty easy. Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is going to be so easy. We one shot literally everything. Wow. Okay, this is so good. Okay, 56 times 111. It's not like 56 times 2. It's not 1111, right? Like, oh my god. Look at this. Uh, oh my god, this and two. These both are so good. Like this one makes the ball just go upwards, so it's basically really good. But oh no, oh because of this, right? If it touches the ceiling, it bounce straight down and doesn't do so much damage anymore. But this, it will keep the ball going just forever. So let's do that, yeah. So yeah. Okay, easy win, easy win. Easy win. Easy win. Like, we just do so much damage. Wait, what's this? Ah. So, yeah. We do a lot of damage. So, yep, we're going to get so much money, like 168 already, 188. So, yeah, we just got 222 coins. Okay, this is OP because it like basically doubles our damage. It doubles our damage, yeah. It doubles. It just doubles our damage. Okay, like this is going to stay here so long. Like you saw that it was just going in circles. Okay, let's go. got rid of the weaker highway robbery, so now it's again completely normal. Yay! Okay, what? How did it go through? But anyways, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Never an effect got you the game. Huh? See, it's not right the best. I don't need it, but we'll take this. And yeah, we don't need anything more. So yeah. Okay, it's just staying here. Like, we're going to be here so long. What do we do now? Yeah. Okay. We're going to wait here for a long time. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Yes, finally. Finally! Woohoo! We are free! Free from the curse of Sprague. Like, if it comes here or here, we get just double damage. And it's so great. We already do 10,000. 20,000 damage we did! We did 20,000 damage! Like, okay, look at this. It just gets upgraded to infinity. Like, seriously, to infinity. Oh my god. We are so OP right now. 70 damage! It does 70 damage. 70. Like, do we get looked at? Oh my god. Okay, yes, cool. Like, okay, yeah, that was all according to plan. Yep. Okay, no, that's not bad. So, yeah, we're going to this, and this. Woohoo! Money! Ooh, okay, this is good. Even though I will take Pierce than other than something like that, but yeah. Okay, we don't need it, but we can still get it, so I don't know. Okay, we got so much money. Okay, yep, easy W. Like, already 3,000 damage, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Like, yeah, nothing can defeat us anymore. Nothing, absolutely nothing. 60,000 damage! We do 60,000 damage, baby! Okay, yep, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11, 20,000. Because I like it upgraded, so yeah. And even if we do half damage, it's still one shot. Oh look, it's back to normal, so it's then... So, oh, it's because of this thing. This thing. here. All attacks gain +1 crit. So yeah, it's because we upgraded our crit. It is now normal again. Holy cow! 80! It does 80 damage in a single attack. 80 damage in a single attack right now. Yeah, still 80 damage. Oh, okay, this guy is dead. This guy is dead. Like, super dead. Even though they got that thing that they can only be damaged, 1 damage at a time, they're still dead because, like, look at how much it bounces. It bounces so much. They are already dead! You can't do anything about it. Okay, I'm not going to upgrade here, because if I don't upgrade here, I get more money here. So, yeah. That's good. And we already can upgrade here. So, yeah. It's going to be fun. Okay, upgrade. Level 80, level 80, level 80. Level 80. What do you guys think if you get it to level 100? Like, level 100. Oh, okay. This is not bad, but okay. So, yeah. Maybe we get it to level 100, bro. I don't know. No, we don't get it, but it would be cool. Maybe we get an achievement if we get it to level 100. So, it'd be so cool. Oh my god, I just checked. This recording is 1 hour already. Like 57 minutes. 58. Like, oh my god. It is so long right now. Okay. It is still extremely OP. We do 12 damage. 12,000 damage. 28,000 damage. 30,000 damage. This enemy's got 600 HP and we do 30,000 damage. Like, what? It's not fair. Like, it's not fair anymore. I'm already feeling bad for the enemies. Like, what? And also, yes, they are enemies. When the game first started, I think there was a cutscene where I think it was a completely different game, but I think there was like a cutscene that showed that the enemies defeat their dorming parents or something like that. So yeah, somewhere in the cutscenes, something like that was. I think I remember, but yeah, we're doing so much damage. Like, look at this, dude. 5,000 damage in the first single 3 seconds. Okay, we win. We just win. So yeah, OP. Look how much I can upgrade it right now. We'll get it to level 90, level 92 or something like that. Level 90! Level 91! Woohoo! But okay, yeah, it's this game has taken 1 hour, and yeah, okay, we're just going to try to win now. We're going to, but still, yeah, we're going to easily win this now. Okay, yeah, they can't do anything, absolutely nothing. Like, we already do 23,000 damage, and if this enemy just blocks our damage, it wouldn't even matter, because the second one coming from the back is still going to kill it. Even if it half it right now, we still win like 7,000 damage. Look at that, dude. Woohoo! We did it! Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go! Okay, it was fun. Peace.